No money down, $1,000 down, 5% down, 20% down. Ugh, I just can't afford to buy a home. We hear this all the time. So now's the time for some mortgage real talk to clear up the confusion around how much money you really need to buy that new home. Hello, I'm David from the Cramm Group at Home Mortgage Alliance. Mortgage down payments aren't as complicated as some lenders would have you believe, nor are they as high as your parents might remember. Mortgage down payments can be broken down into a couple of categories, which are the same for most every lender. The Federal Housing Administration, or FHA loan, will always require 3.5% down. You can put more money down, but you can never put less without the support of a down payment assistance program, which we'll talk about more here in just a moment. The FHA loan will always have monthly mortgage insurance, which we'll talk about the types of mortgage insurance in a later video regarding how much you're putting down and kind of how that applies to overall loans themselves. Conventional loans, they require as little as 3% down if you haven't owned a home in the past 3 years, or 5% if you have owned a home in the past 3 years. Conventional loans will require some type of monthly mortgage insurance until you put 20% down. Then there's the VA and the USDA loans. Both of those are true no money down programs. These are the only no money down programs available. So what about those $1,000 down or very low down programs you've heard about? Those are the same loans, FHA and conventional, with down payment assistance provided by the government entity or an assistance company to reduce your down payments for FHA and conventional loans. The down payment requirement didn't change. So 3.5%, for example, it stayed the same, but it was covered by the assistance program. Now, typically, the minimum amount required from you is $1,000. Hence, that's why lenders will advertise it as $1,000 down. So hopefully that helps to clear it up. Check out some information on our down payment assistance, as I think you'll find that helpful. It is worth noting that there are some one-off programs out there, typically that cater to low-income people or specific population groups. It's a fairly narrow group, and they're offered in fairly narrow organizations. But that should cover about 95% of it. So that's been Mortgage Real Talk. I hope you found this information helpful. Please follow us on social media for more home buying information. And don't forget to request our free Home Buyers Toolkit. I think you'll love it. Thanks.